Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to edit a column in Smartsheet? So you're not alone. Smartsheet is a powerful tool for collaboration and project management, but it can be a bit tricky to navigate if you're not familiar with it. In this video, I'll show you how to edit a column in Smartsheet. I'll cover the basics as well as some more advanced techniques. What is a column in Smartsheet? Before we get started, let's define what a column is in Smartsheet. A column is a vertical section of a sheet that contains data. It can be used to store information such as tasks, deadlines, budgets, and more. How to edit a column in Smartsheet. There are a few different ways to edit a column in Smartsheet. Here are the most common methods. Double-click on the column header. This will open the Column Properties dialog box. Right-click on the column header and select Edit Column Properties. This will also open the Column Properties dialog box. Click on the Column tab in the ribbon and select Edit Column Properties. This will also open the Column Properties dialog box. Once the Column Properties dialog box is open, you can make a variety of changes to the column. You can change the column name, format, and data type. You can also add or remove validation rules, and you can set up conditional formatting. Advanced editing techniques. In addition to the basic editing techniques, there are also a few more advanced techniques that you can use to edit columns in Smartsheet. Merge cells. This allows you to combine multiple cells into a single cell. Split cells. This allows you to split a single cell into multiple cells. Freeze columns. This allows you to keep certain columns visible at the top of the screen, even when you scroll down the sheet. Unfreeze columns. This allows you to unfreeze columns that have been frozen. Additional tips. If you make a mistake while editing a column, you can undo your changes by pressing Ctrl+Z. You can also use the undo button on the toolbar. If you want to delete a column, you can right-click on the column header and select Delete Column. Editing columns in Smartsheet is a simple process, but it can be helpful to know the different techniques available to you. By following the tips in this video, you can edit columns in Smartsheet like a pro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.